That's a tough one because I see the parents of today, they go and tell you that the children of today is different. The children of today is not no different as the parents of today. First of all, manners. Manners and respect. Manners, respect, and try whatever you do to involve them in things that you're doing. Because, I remember taking her I would have to go to meetings and I would have her little crayon book and something in the corner. And what does she do now? She holds meetings. And very good at it. Mm-hmm. So, it's manners, respect, and then you have to give them some sort of chores. Chores. There's something that you have to be responsible for. And try to teach them that you have to discuss with them, you are responsible for your actions. It's not isolated. You have to be responsible for your actions. Sit down. You did something, sit down, reason with them. What is the consequence of what it is that you did? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.